welcome to this video on technical insights. I'm Julia Lee, an equity strategist with Bell Direct. Technical analysis is a very powerful tool to help traders enter and exit out of stock positions. However, it can also be very time consuming, poring over graphs and chart patterns as well as price indicators. Technical Insights helps to cut out some of the time involved in trying to generate trading ideas. It automatically filters out chart patterns as well as different price indicators.
To access Technical Insights, go to the Research and Tools tab and go down to Technical Insight. That will bring up the Technical Insight tool.
Here's David to tell us more.
So the Technical Insight overview page allows you to get some trading ideas that you're particularly interested in, and the way you do that is click on Custom Settings right off the top. You're going to go in and set up your own criteria. You may or may not be interested in bullish and bearish ideas. If you only want the bullish ones, turn them on. That would effectively turn off the bearish, and you can say I want maybe the short-term and intermediate-term trade ideas only. As I do that, I can scroll down and also turn off or on some of the criteria that are used in the strategies that come up with the trade ideas. In this case, I'm going to leave them all on. I'm looking for any type of ideas short term, and I'm going to click Done. When you finish doing that, you'll notice the 29% went up to 57, so I'm closer to a full setup. But let's just go and look at some of these ideas. I'm scrolling down. Here's one on FPH. And again, triangle. I'm going to also show you that down at the bottom there's some other key features. One is stocks with a possible 15% increase. I click on that. So now we're looking at a particular pattern that has been formed and identified using the pattern recognition tools, and it's on Newcrest Mining. It's a upside breakout. It's actually a very nice move up, and we have a screen here that shows us the pattern. So how can we add value or improve our interface here? One thing we can do is add a target price. So let's do that by clicking on that. And when I add a target, I want to update the chart. Okay. It's rebuilding the chart, and we'll see target. We notice we have the volume at the bottom, and we're seeing an uptick on volume along with this price move. And here's the target. It's based on the geometry of the pattern itself. We're extending up, and we're seeing we have a target of above $20.
One of the most important parts of trading is risk management. With Trading Insights, there is a proprietary trailing stop loss tool to help you try and minimize losses when your trades don't quite go as expected. Here's David to tell us more.
Let's add in a stop. So if we want to follow this one, what will we do? We would come under here, and we could either put in a percentage trailing stop of 10% or 6 or 8. But I kind of prefer this proprietary volatility-based trailing stop. The default is medium, and I do recommend that. And once I add that in, I click Update Chart. Draw stop on chart, and then update chart. And when I do that, it's going to draw a line. Now, as I hold on, if I purchased the stock and the price went up, the purple line will follow it up. It's a trailing stop, and if the price falls, the trailing stop will stay at the same level. And if it penetrates the trailing stop, you can get an alert. So to do that, I just click on Add Alert. So that's a really good feature for you to be able to track more and more ideas at a time.
A handy button is the Help button here. You can click on this Help button inside each section to find out more, access user guides, and watch more tutorials.
Thanks for joining us on this video. To find out more, please visit the Bell Direct website.